2024 Ducati Multistrada V4 Rally. The V4 Rally takes over the current Multistrada V4S and adds a larger tank, taller suspension, better crash protection and comfort designed to improve long-distance travel both with and without passengers. A class-leading 170 horsepower and 92.2 feet lbs of torque now power the Multistrada, from an engine that weighs 2.6 pounds, is 3.3 inches longer and 3.7 inches taller than the previous twin-cylinder model. The new V4 Granturismo engine is not only more powerful but also more compact and 2.6 pounds lighter than the old Testastrada twin-cylinder engine used in the previous Multistrada 1260. The 2024 Rally model uses the same V4 Granturismo engine, and many other important points are connected to the engine. By switching from a 90-degree V-twin, Ducati managed to reduce the size and weight of the engine, while increasing power. Ducati found a traction advantage by taking the mass of the crankshaft and rotating it in the opposite direction. This gyroscopic force is very dynamic, changing vector and intensity along with changes in the speed and direction of the motorbike. Simple engine operation helps reduce these forces and allows increased front wheel contact with the road surface. A counter-rotating crankshaft improves the bike's handling and agility by allowing it to ride straighter and counter-wheeling during acceleration. Ducati's V4 Rally is equipped with a rear-cylinder deactivation system designed to work not only when the motorcycle is stationary but also when traveling below a certain speed. When full engine power is not required, this system deactivates the rear cylinder bank, effectively turning it into a small parallel twin.